Eating raw onions offers a surprising range of health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, they help combat inflammation and support a healthy immune system. Raw onions contain compounds like quercetin, which may help reduce blood pressure and improve heart health. They are also a good source of prebiotics, promoting gut health by nourishing beneficial bacteria. Additionally, their natural sulfur compounds support detoxification and may help regulate blood sugar levels, making raw onions a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Stay connected to Health Plus for more exciting health tips and videos.